Dear friends, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can quickly and easily turn on, or on the contrary, turn off the vibration for incoming calls on your iPhone. But before we start, friends, please subscribe to our channel and also be sure to give this video a like and don't forget to write comments after watching it. Well, let's get down to our topic with you. Please open the settings on your iPhone. As follows, you will need to scroll down them and find an option called Sounds and Vibrations. Please click on it. Now select the section called Ringtone, which means it will be the ringtone of your calls. And here, friends, you will need to click on the Vibrations section at the top. And see, next you'll need to select, for example, a vibration if you want to turn it on. There's a list of vibrations that you can click on and choose for yourself, for example, which one you prefer. Also, if you want to turn the vibration off if you don't like it, then at the very bottom, click on Disable. This way, it will no longer be present when someone calls you on your device. This is the way, dear friends, you will be able to quickly and easily on absolutely any iPhone to turn off, as well as turn on vibration for your incoming calls. I really hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write comments and put your likes. See you, friends.